Hello, 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 hello. This is a quick lesson for you today. It's just going to tell you how to make arrows on Google Slides. So if you're using anything on Google Slides, making a food chain or something like that, I'm just going to show you how to make the arrows. So stay tuned, follow along, you'll get it in no time. Alright, so we're just going to assume that you know how to get to Google Slides right now. The first thing you want to do is going to get your images that you're going to use for your food chain or your food web. Put them on the slide. You can put them anywhere you want. You're going to be moving them around later on. Okay, so do that first. Once you have your images down, then you can go to the arrows. And in order to get to the arrows, it's simple as this. You're going to go up to the top of the page. You'll see there's a lot of different items over here. You'll see the insert, and there's a lot of things you can add to this chart right now. One of the things you can do is add a shape or arrows. And you can see there's a lot of different arrows that it'll allow you to use. I like just using the simple arrow right here because you can actually move that to make any way you want. Then what you'll do is you'll drag your arrow on here like so. That's perfect. Now you have an arrow. You can play with it, you can move it around, you can move it wherever you need, just like you can move any of these. So what do you need to do next is you'll have to change the position or the shape or the length. Let me show you how to do that. What I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to make my grass and my tree at the bottom. So you'll see I just moved a couple of my animals and my plants around. What I want to show is I want to show that this grass and this tree is being eaten by the giraffe. So in order to do that, I'm going to drag my arrow down here, and you see this top part right here? This is going to allow me to turn my arrow, just like that. And if I want to shrink the size of it, I go to the corner, any corner will do, and I could shrink the size of my arrow. So now I have, I'm showing that the tree is eaten by the giraffe. I can do that again by going to insert, another arrow. I can draw this one like this. And then when I need to change the shape or direction, I click on the top part, just like that. This one seems a little too long, right? So what I'll do here is I'll shrink it by going to the corner, and I can put it just like that. Matter of fact, I might even just move my grass over like that. I could show another thing. I want to show that the rabbit eats the grass as well. I'll draw another arrow here. Something like that. And I will move it to here. I need to turn it. I'll click on the top little circle. And now I'm showing that the grass is eaten by the rabbit. You can continue this as you go on in your food chain. If you wanted to make all your connections and your food web, just keep inserting arrows to show your connections here, and then just keep changing them. All right, turning them anywhere you need to. I see that was too long. And you should be good to go. All right, good luck and happy food web food chain making.